Hello everyone, today let me share with you one chocolate cake with Oreo. This cake combines dark chocolate and Oreo perfectly. "130 grams of Oreo. We separate the black and white part. We only need the black parts. Put the Oreo inside one plastic bag and crush it into powder. "50 grams of melted unsalted butter. Mix well. I'm using one 6-inch plate. Press the crushed Oreo tightly and leave inside the fridge for 20 minutes. "90 grams of 70% dark chocolate. We heat 70 grams of whipping cream. 10 grams of unsalted butter. We keep stirring until everything melts. If 70% of dark chocolate is too bitter for you, you can change it to 50 grams of dark chocolate and 40 grams of milk chocolate. I prefer all dark chocolate because Oreo is already very sweet for me. Leave inside the fridge for 2 hours. 110 grams of whipping cream, 10 grams of sugar, 1 gram of salt. 2 tablespoons of Oreo. Which country are you from and what's your favorite cake? Please leave a comment below. Let's enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching my video. I will see you next time.